Hey, last week I did the video on the amazing group, the Soul Seekers, the intro to It's All God featuring Marvin Winans, right? And we played it in F, right? We'll start it out. Right? Those are the chords. Now let's play the part that Jubu, one of my favorite guitar players. What did he play? What he played was actually exactly what the chords were, but he just played the melody. And that gives you the whole introduction to It's All God. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.